morning, guys. Today we're going to make Earl Grey cookies.
Hey guys, we're gonna make cookies. This is egg sugar right here. You know, it's eggs. That's the marshmallow. Eggs and sugar and coffee.
Here we have egg, sugar, and cake flour. We have some butter, some milk, and Earl Grey tea. And we have some hot water.
And the butter water.
Put the Earl Grey tea in the hot water for 3 minutes. Put the butter in the stainless bowl. Put the sugar and salt. Beat it for 20 seconds. We need to put the egg yolk in the mixing stainless bowl. Put the Earl Grey tea. Put 1 bag of Earl Grey tea in the mixture. And then mix it. Put the milk powder in the mixture. Put the cake flour. And mix it. And then transfer it in a bowl.
Oh.
And then start to pipe.
Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Dun. Come on.
And this is our Earl Grey cookies.